People, when they have a product, get confused as to how a trademark works. A trademark is simply an identification of the source of goods or services. It's not the product itself, it's the source of a product. For example, Tide laundry detergent. Tide is the maker of the laundry detergent. It's not the actual detergent itself. Although often trademarks, people come to identify them so closely with the product, they may substitute the name of the trademark for the product, but it's supposed to be a brand and represent the source. You obtain trademark rights from actual use in commerce or by registering your trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. You can register your trademark, what's called an intent to use or ITU trademark application, before you have any sales, when you've just thought of your idea for a name, for example. Many times people register their trademarks in advance before their product is fully developed or before they're ready to do sales. In fact, people will often check online on the intent to use trademarks because they are publicly available to see what other companies are doing. In fact, the Apple stores were known before Apple announced them because they had several trademarks on file for intent to use for Apple Store and other names related to the store. It's a good way to keep track of what your competitors are doing. The best trademarks that you can make or file for are arbitrary and don't have anything to do with the product itself. For example, Apple is associated with computers now, but an Apple itself has nothing to do with computers. Kodak, associated with film very strongly, but Kodak was a made-up word that the creator of the trademark felt had a strong name and strong sound, and so used that as a trademark. A trademark such as Microsoft, although a world-famous trademark, is not the strongest trademark because there are a lot of companies that have micro blank or blank soft in their titles because it's not arbitrary. It really is associated with the product itself. So if you are going to have a trademark for your company, you can do it in advance, and you should think of a name that is arbitrary and doesn't describe the product so closely.